I find 10 insanely profitable business ideas that make $10,000 per month. These game-changing ventures are not only innovative, but also incredibly lucrative, ensuring you stay ahead of the competition and achieve unparalleled success. From cutting-edge tech solutions to sustainable lifestyle businesses, these opportunities are designed to maximize your earnings with minimal investment. Number 10. Personalized meal plans and delivery. Personalized meal plans and delivery services are set to thrive in 2024 as health consciousness continues to rise. These services cater to various dietary needs, such as keto, vegan, or gluten-free diets, offering convenience for individuals seeking to maintain specific health goals. By providing tailored meal options, these businesses can attract a dedicated customer base willing to pay a premium for convenience and customization. A typical monthly subscription might cost around $150 per customer. If you manage to attract 200 customers each month, your annual revenue could reach $360,000. With a growing trend towards personalized health solutions and increasing awareness about the benefits of tailored nutrition, this business idea holds significant potential. Additionally, the ability to scale the business through partnerships with nutritionists and fitness influencers can further boost customer acquisition. The market demand and scalability make this a promising venture for entrepreneurs looking to enter the health and wellness industry. So, I'm going to give this 7.8 out of 10 opportunity score. Number 9. Virtual reality VR experiences. The virtual reality VR market is expected to expand significantly, offering immense opportunities for businesses that provide VR experiences. These can range from educational simulations and professional training to immersive entertainment experiences. As VR technology becomes more affordable and widespread, the demand for unique and engaging VR content will grow. Businesses can charge around $50 per session, and with an average of 500 sessions per month, the annual revenue potential is $300,000. This market is particularly attractive due to the novelty and immersive nature of VR, which can captivate a wide audience, including gamers, educators, and corporate clients. The technology's applications are vast, spanning sectors such as healthcare, real estate, and tourism, making it a versatile business idea. By staying at the forefront of VR developments and continuously offering fresh and innovative experiences, a business in this field can maintain strong customer interest and achieve sustained growth. So the opportunity score is 8 out of 10. Number 8. Online learning platforms. The shift towards remote education has accelerated the demand for online learning platforms, presenting a lucrative business opportunity. These platforms can offer courses in niche subjects or specialized skills, attracting a global audience eager to learn from the comfort of their homes. A typical course fee might be around $100, and with 1,000 enrollments per month, annual revenue could reach $1,200,000. The online education market's growth is driven by the flexibility and accessibility it offers, appealing to both students and professionals seeking continuous learning opportunities. By providing high-quality, interactive content and leveraging technologies like AI for personalized learning experiences, these platforms can differentiate themselves in a competitive market. Additionally, partnerships with educational institutions and industry experts can enhance the platform's credibility and reach. So, I'm going to give this 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Number 7. Sustainable product store. In 2024, the emphasis on sustainability and eco-friendly living is expected to be stronger than ever, making an online store focused on sustainable products a promising venture. Consumers are increasingly seeking products that align with their environmental values, from reusable household items to eco-friendly personal care products. An average order value of $50 and 2,000 monthly orders can generate an annual revenue of $1,200,000. This business can thrive by curating a diverse range of high-quality, sustainable products and educating consumers about their benefits. Marketing strategies can include partnerships with eco-influencers, engaging content about sustainability, and certifications for product authenticity. The potential for repeat customers is high, as consumers committed to sustainability are likely to continue purchasing from brands that reflect their values. So the opportunity score is 8.2 out of 10. Number 6, health and wellness coaching. The growing awareness of mental and physical well-being creates a significant opportunity for health and wellness coaching services. These services can offer personalized plans and virtual sessions to help clients achieve their health goals, whether it's weight loss, stress management, or overall wellness. Charging around $100 per session and serving 150 clients monthly can lead to annual revenue of $180,000. The demand for such services is driven by the increasing importance of holistic health and the convenience of virtual consultations. By offering tailored advice and support, health and wellness coaches can build strong, trusting relationships with their clients, leading to high retention rates. Additionally, leveraging social media and online marketing can attract a broader audience. The potential for recurring revenue from long-term coaching programs and the ability to scale by hiring additional coaches or creating digital products make this a sustainable business model. That's why I'm going to give this 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Number 5, Freelance Services Platform. As the gig economy continues to expand, creating a platform that connects freelancers with clients presents a highly lucrative opportunity. This platform can offer a range of services such as graphic design, writing, programming, and more, catering to businesses and individuals seeking flexible work arrangements. By charging a 10% transaction fee and facilitating $500,000 in monthly transactions, the annual revenue potential is $600,000. The demand for freelance work is driven by the desire for flexible work schedules and the need for businesses to access specialized skills on a project basis. Ensuring a seamless user experience, secure payment systems, and effective matching algorithms can help differentiate your platform from competitors. Additionally, providing resources and support for both freelancers and clients can enhance user satisfaction and loyalty. The scalability and diverse service offerings of a freelance platform make it an attractive business idea with substantial growth potential. So, the opportunity score is 8.6 out of 10. Number 4, remote work tools. With remote work becoming a permanent fixture in many industries, developing tools and software to facilitate remote work is a highly promising business idea. These tools can include project management apps, virtual collaboration platforms, and communication software, addressing the needs of remote teams to stay productive and connected. A subscription fee of $10 per user and 10,000 monthly users can generate annual revenue of $1,200,000. The market for remote work tools is expanding as companies seek efficient solutions to manage distributed teams and ensure seamless workflows. By continuously innovating and integrating new features that enhance usability and collaboration, your business can stay ahead of the competition. Partnering with large corporations and promoting your tools through targeted marketing campaigns can further boost adoption rates. The ongoing shift towards hybrid and remote work models ensures a sustained demand for these solutions, making it a viable and scalable business opportunity. That's why I'm going to give this 8.8 out of 10 opportunity score. Number 3, Telemedicine Services. Telemedicine services have gained significant traction and will continue to grow, offering a valuable business opportunity. These services provide remote medical consultations, allowing patients to access healthcare conveniently and safely from their homes. Charging $75 per consultation and conducting 1,000 consultations monthly can lead to annual revenue of $900,000. The increasing adoption of telemedicine is driven by the need for accessible healthcare solutions, particularly in underserved or rural areas. By offering a range of services, from routine checkups to specialist consultations, telemedicine platforms can attract a broad patient base, ensuring user-friendly interfaces, Secure data handling and high-quality care are crucial for building trust and retaining patients. Collaborations with healthcare providers and insurance companies can enhance the service offering and expand reach. So, the opportunity score is 9 out of 10. Number 2, AI-powered analytics services. AI-powered analytics services offer businesses insights to improve decision-making processes, making this a highly valuable business idea. These services can analyze vast amounts of data to uncover patterns, trends, and actionable insights, helping businesses optimize operations, marketing strategies, and customer experiences. Charging $1,000 per project and handling 50 projects monthly can generate annual revenue of $600,000. The demand for data-driven decision-making is growing as businesses recognize the competitive advantage it offers. By providing customized analytics solutions tailored to specific industries, your business can cater to a diverse clientele. Ensuring data accuracy, security, and actionable recommendations will be key to building credibility and trust. Additionally, offering scalable solutions that can grow with your clients' needs will enhance customer retention and drive long-term growth. The versatility and high demand for AI-powered analytics make this a compelling and profitable business opportunity. So, the opportunity score is 9 out of 10. Number 1, e-commerce subscription boxes. E-commerce subscription boxes remain a top business idea, catering to various niche markets such as beauty products, gourmet foods, or hobby supplies. These curated boxes offer convenience and excitement, creating a loyal customer base. With a subscription fee of $30 per month and 5,000 monthly subscribers, annual revenue can reach $1,800,000. The subscription box model benefits from predictable recurring revenue and the ability to upsell or offer premium tiers. By curating high-quality themed products and providing excellent customer service, businesses can differentiate themselves and maintain subscriber interest. Utilizing targeted marketing strategies and influencer partnerships can further boost customer acquisition. Additionally, collecting and analyzing customer feedback can help refine product offerings and enhance satisfaction. That's why I'm going to give this 9.5 out of 10 opportunity score.